Feeling overwhelmed by the speed of AI? Worried about staying sharp in a world that's evolving faster than ever? You're not alone. But what if the secret to thriving in the AI age isn't more technology? It's mastering your mind. Today we're diving into a revolutionary mental framework, the Silva Method. A proven way to sharpen your focus, strengthen emotional resilience, and unlock intuitive intelligence in a world run by algorithms. The pace of AI integration is accelerating, shaping how we work, think, and even feel. Traditional mindsets built for the industrial and information eras are breaking down. To truly thrive, we need something different, a future-proof mind. One that adapts, anticipates, and stays calm amid constant change. The Silva Method is built on simple yet powerful principles of deep relaxation, alpha brain states, and guided visualization. These aren't new age tricks, they're evidence-backed techniques that enhance awareness, problem-solving, and creativity. While brain hack trends come and go, Silva offers something deeper, a holistic upgrade for your entire consciousness. In an AI-saturated world, attention is your most valuable currency. Silva helps you harness it. By entering the alpha state, you reduce digital overwhelm and decision fatigue. You think clearer, create faster, and respond with emotional balance, even when everything around you is changing. Imagine facing job automation or information overload, and instead of fear, you respond with calm clarity. That's Silva in action. Real people are using these methods to regain control of their minds, navigate career transitions, and maintain emotional stability in uncertain times. And the best part? You can start today with no special tools needed. Just a few minutes of focused relaxation and visualization each day can transform how you handle challenges, digital or otherwise. So, what can you do right now? Start small, breathe deeply, slow your thoughts, and visualize the outcomes you want to see. Start practicing the Silva Method today from our website and YouTube channel with the free relaxation and meditation exercise. These simple habits activate the same mental processes used by top performers, innovators, and visionaries. With practice, your mind becomes your greatest ally, adaptable, focused, and emotionally resilient. The AI revolution isn't slowing down, but you can rise above the noise. Your mind is your ultimate interface. Master it, and no future will ever overwhelm you. Future-proof your mind. Start your Silva journey today and thrive in the AI age.